How's it going on, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do multicolor prints in the Creality Slicer. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is to add a shape onto my bed right here. And then of course, let's scale this just to show you on how you can do this easily. And the next thing that you want to do is to simply add another filament onto your project. So just click on the plus icon. It's going to be under or just beside the filament category. Click on the plus icon, and from there, basically you then want to customize the colors the way you want to. So in my case, I'm going to be demonstrating 3 colors on this video. There's going to be green, and let's go ahead and choose something like baby blue. Click on OK. And for our last color, let's then select something like yellow. From there, we can then preview our model. So just click on the preview option, and then we can see the layer of our model right here on how it will turn out layer by layer. So what you want to do is to just navigate through the layer on where you want to change the color of your model right here. So in my case, it's going to be on this part. So what you want to do is to just right click on it, click on change filament, and then you want to apply your next color. From there, it will basically change the progress bar into that specific color. So you can just do the same thing for the next color. Let's say this is where I want to change next. And you can do this endlessly if you want to. So let's just do it one more time. And then basically you're good to go. To preview how it turns out, just click on the preview button once more, or just click on the slice plate option. And from there, it will then present you with your multicolor edit or your multicolor shape. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.